Kids, if a healthy apple and a sugary donut had a fight, who will win? Let's find out. Today, we are going to learn which food gives us superpower and which food only tastes good for a moment. These are healthy foods. They make our bones strong, muscles powerful, and brain super sharp. Junk food looks yummy, but eating too much makes us tired and lazy. It has lots of sugar, oil, and salt. Good taste, but not good for our body. Now, let the battle begin. Healthy food gives energy for long time, 10 points. Junk food gives short energy, only 2 points. If you feel hungry, choose healthy swaps. Tasty plus powerful equal to perfect snack. And the winner is Team Healthy because they make us strong, fast, and happy. Now tell me, are you Team Healthy or Team Junk? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.